First, I'm going to select my computer. Then I'm going to my little USB thumb drive on the side of my Tobii. I'm going to my music folder, and then my Christmas sheet music to demonstrate, cut, copy, and delete, using Windows keyboard shortcuts, that's available in the Windows Control keyboard. With the Control key, it allows me to select individual files within the folder. TD Control doesn't have this ability. You select one file, or all files. Then by having the Control key selected, I can hit the C key, which copies the files I've selected. When I go to my desktop, I'll make a music folder to put my copied files into. Let me open it up. By using my keyboard, I can select the Control key, then hit the V key to put my copied files into the folder.